Why do 70% of people with diabetes swear by tiger nuts? Let's find out. If you're dealing with prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, or high cholesterol, this video is for you. There's an amazing Ayurvedic nut you need to know about. It's called the tiger nut, or earth nut. So what's the big deal? Tiger nuts are packed with dietary fiber and resistant starch. This helps balance blood sugar levels and slows down glucose absorption in your gut. Just one tiger nut after meals like lunch and dinner can help prevent those pesky glucose spikes. But wait, there's more. Tiger nuts also contain arginine, an amino acid that boosts insulin sensitivity and production. This is fantastic news for managing type 2 diabetes. And it doesn't stop there. Tiger nuts are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which help reduce oxidative stress. They even have monounsaturated fats that lower bad cholesterol, cutting down cardiovascular risks linked to diabetes. Plus, the dietary fiber in tiger nuts is great for colon health and digestive health, keeping constipation at bay. So, how can you add tiger nuts to your diet? You can munch on them after meals or make tiger nut milk to use in your cooking. By incorporating tiger nuts into your daily routine, you'll be taking a big step towards managing type 2 diabetes, prediabetes, and cholesterol. Here's to healthy living and a healthier you.